Hey friends, Ingrid here from Up on Journey. I'm so excited to bring you the new kit, Fire Starter. This is not gonna be an unboxing. Lindsay will post her unboxing soon. She does such a much better job than I do at it. But I can tell you a few things about the theme and what the Fire Starter was designed for. And I started using it a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it in my daily journaling. I will go a little bit through. I'm just gonna show you briefly what's in the media folder, and the intro part to the Fire Starter is such a fiery goal to have every day. That's why I will use it in daily journaling. Often we feel so helpless in making any changes around us, even in us. But if we can allow ourselves to be moved by His unquenchable love, as we know He says, I thirst, be moved by His radical thirst for our love, He can work with that. So I'm often embarrassed when offering my love to Jesus. It is so small, but I must have truly hope. If I say I love you, Lord, even with a small part of my heart, my love is so small, but He can fan it into flames. This kit is basically a prayer to call the Holy Spirit and ask Him to set our hearts on fire with love for Him and everybody around us. I see a thread that goes through all the devotionals I write, and that is, I realize it's nurturing our love for Jesus. Everything else will flow out of that love and relationship, and honestly, you cannot go wrong with that. I love the structure of the devotional. I'm gonna go a little bit over that. They're like small bursts of prayer and love, directing our focus on Jesus, His love, and the amazing gift of the Holy Spirit. And hopefully this will be indeed a fire starter. If you wonder about these tiles, these little abstract artworks, what was the thought behind that? First of all, they are just beautiful elements, and their abstract nature is in a beautiful contrast with all the figurative elements in the kit. Just want to show you, like here, using it for a background. It's just so beautiful, makes everything else pop. Secondly, I love their repetitive nature, resembling prayers. And the way we mix and match them, even though they are fragmented, they're like little fragments, right? Through the repetition, they become a whole thing. And it's not boring anymore, it's peaceful. So I have it in the background here too. Kind of offers a structure to everything else. So I really love its aesthetic and what really means to me. So I just flipped through all the elements here in the media folder. Plus we have the die cut pack, which contains a lot of die cuts this time. Also, because I don't have a stamp with this kit, because almost all the other stamps I made so far can be used. Now there are a lot of Holy Spirit stamps, like with the Advent kit, and the Trust stamp with the homebound and so on. I mean, pretty much everything can be used with this kit, so I didn't want to repeat myself. There was no use for that. But I made stencil little pack. It comes packaged like this. You'll see it, I just listed it in my shop. And we have so it comes with stencils and die cuts. So pretty much I used whatever was cut out, and I packaged it with the stencils, so there you will receive even more. So there's one butterfly, two butterflies, a set of 3 butterflies, and one big one. And the stencils are so versatile. I mean, you can use them, and these are the die cuts that come. So you get 7 die cuts and 4, this measures about 425 by 5.5. And I'm gonna show you what I did. That they're so easy to use. It is paper, but if we use here are a few that I used already, and it can be used as a stencil, and then if you're tired of making stencil, you can use it actually in journaling, and I'm going to show you in a minute how I'm using it. So use it as like windows that you see through, and it's a really beautiful layered combination. Now, before I show you that, I wanted to mention that the journal I'm going to be using for this kit is actually my personal journal that I write in every day. And I'm gonna use one of the stickers with the verse, "I have come to set the world on fire, and I wish it were already burning," from Luke 12:49. I want to put it on the front of my journal. I'm gonna do that now. And these are very resistant stickers. If you got them already and you put them on your mugs, you'll see that they last for so long. I mean, I have one that I'm using for years now, and it didn't even come off or anything. So there, I will have that there on my journal as a perfect reminder. And so far, I already journaled a little bit there with it, but I'm going to show you how I set up a few days ahead. Here I use one of the tickets that comes with the kit and a few tiles, sticker tiles, and I'm gonna be journaling there. I used a few stamps from the Advent kit and the one with the crosses from, I don't know which kit is that from, I have to look. So here I used one of the stencils. So I used it, I made some impressions with it, and then I put these white simple cards just with a verse, Bible verse typed up. This was in the add-on pack and still is. You can still get this in the With You, the Lent kit. So you can put them on the back and just becomes a window for the Bible verse, and it's so beautiful. And here I put another journaling ticket to work with. Here I use the stencils, and I have a few short clips on how I did this, and it's just such a beautiful result. This is just a little demo on using the butterfly stencils from the Firestarter kit. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna use it for quick daily entries. This is very versatile option when we don't have stamps, but sometimes you can actually do more with stencils than you can with stamps. And just a one-line prayer, and you can use so many elements in combination with this, but you can use the little word focus tiles, which are stickers that come with the Firestarter kit with the add-on. I'm looking for one that says "Come Holy Spirit." Now, you're probably gonna run out of this, but I have these in a digital format too, so you can just keep using them. These are the washi strips. They're pre-cut and come on a sheet like this. Those also come with the add-on kit for Firestarter. That's just a beautiful little starter for a journaling entry. Just a faint cross. I used one of the stickers, word stickers that comes with the add-on pack. You'll see if you got this. This is the add-on pack that comes with the this release with the fire starter. It has a few larger stamps, skinnier sheet of tiles. You get a full one with the main kit. These are the words and the washi strips, which are so cool and useful. Now, I knew you're gonna run out of this quick, so there is the digital version of the add-on where you have all these, including the tickets, everything, to just keep on printing when you run out of them. So that's the add-on pack. So here again, I used the big, it's exactly what I used, the large butterfly stencil, and I overlapped one of the black and white die cuts that comes with this stencil kit, and also you have this in the main die cut pack with the kit. We use another stencil impression here. I chose this Distress Oxide, the speckled egg. It's a very faint grayish blue, because I wanted just a suggestion in the background. I'm gonna use this stamp. I think this is from one of the Advent kits. Another cool element for journaling, and I'm going to use that as a background for one of the butterfly die cuts that comes both with the stencil kit and with the die cuts in the main kit. I'm just going to glue that one there. There we go, it's beautiful. So it's just such a beautiful image, and these are great to use as a drop shadow behind the die cut. Just trying this out here, and you can see there's right under the die cut there's the stencil image, so it gives it a very lovely depth. I used it there too, and here just like that. So this is in the shop, this stamp. It's one of the longer stamps. This is from the Wait for the Lord Advent kit. So pleased with the results of this. They're so lovely. And here is just another little starter, journaling starter header. I used the Trust stamp from the Homebound kit, one of the washi strips, and one of the die cuts. So very simple, beautiful ways to start your journaling. The devotional itself, we have the intro, which is so good to keep in mind always, like on a daily basis. And then they're numbered, so we have 9 chapters. I wouldn't say days, because you probably can do a couple or even more. Like the Pentecost chapter is quite longer, and it has very many Bible verses to focus on. So we have Fiery Love 1, 2nd chapter, Faith 10, Seek Him number 3, Glory number 4, The Love Story number 5, Pentecost is 6, that's a longer one. This is a beautiful exercise, ask, offer, accept, that we can, I'm going to incorporate it in daily journaling. And there are a few very cool boxy graphics that are in the digital kit of the main fire starter. Touch. It's a very moving image of Jesus' hands. And number 9, Time. And I love this and the graphic, this cool little exercise we can do on a daily basis. So that's how this is structured. So this is it. I just wanted to show you quickly how I started my my journaling and what I'm gonna be using. I will probably do a few Bible entries, like working in the actual journaling Bible, and also Other very cool applications for all the elements of the kit would be note cards or postcards. I use these blank postcards to make these lovely cards. Of course, these will not go directly in the mail because they have layered elements and they're probably too thick and they would get damaged. So I would put it in an envelope if I send it. I just wanted to show you some other possibilities, and also you can use in the same way the very beautiful, I really love these, the sewn elements. This is one of my favorites. So these can be used on cards, and of course in your journaling. With these you really don't have to add much because they're quite a focal point by themselves. Also, just remember they will add a little bit of bulk to your journal, but they're such lovely elements to use. So all this being said, I hope you ordered your kit. I hope you, if you didn't, order it soon, and don't forget about all the digital packs that you can use on a regular basis. If you run out of the imagery, you can always print them, and I see these as something that can be used all the time. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the kit, and hopefully we'll have a thorough unboxing pretty soon here from Lindsay. Thank you, and God bless.